If a toilet is making a whistling sound when flushed, there are two things to try to fix the valve before replacing it. Close the shutoff valve located below the toilet tank. Flush the toilet to empty the tank. Reach under the float, push it up, and hold on to the valve body. Take note of how the cap is positioned. You then turn it float up, arm straight, remove the cap. Any debris on top of the valve could be inhibiting its function. If your fill valve is a corky, there's a video to repair that one too. Look in the box below this video for a link. Flush any debris out of the valve by holding a cup over the top of it. Then open the shutoff valve and leave it open for about 10 seconds. Next, remove the cap from the float mechanism. You can use a bamboo skewer to help get the cap off. Be mindful that this screw adjusts the float level. Remove the seal from the cap. Be careful not to bend the pin in the middle. Right there's the pin. And then clean under the seal and the cap. You might find a lot of mineral deposits there. If the seal is in poor condition, replace it. If they're cleaning, put the seal back onto the cap. Then snap the cap back onto the float. Then twist the cap back onto the top of the valve. If they're cleaning and flushing, the valve continues to hiss, it's possible that your pressure reducing valve has failed. Check your home's water pressure. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, know how now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.